Today we're going to go over how to adjust the mirrors on your Autozam AZ-1 or Suzuki Cara. Let's go take a look over here. So sometimes your mirrors get loose. There's a bolt that holds it down to the door, and what happens is it's the adjustment kind of ball joint thing where it adds friction. There's no longer enough friction where it gets loose, so driving down the highway, eventually if you're going too fast, this mirror will slowly kind of close on you and get out of alignment. And since it's not power mirrors, and with this weird going door window, you can't adjust this on the fly, at least, unless you get a passenger and like, hey, can you just kind of poke my mirror out a little bit? I've had to do that a few times. So I'm getting tired of that. I've heard that some people have the issue so bad where they'll open and close the door and this will kind of just droop. But it's a simple fix. Let's take a quick look. Basically, there's an 8mm nut underneath this rubber boot on the other side. What you have to do is carefully peel this boot off of this lip here, and then you should be able to just tighten it with a 8mm socket, and then this will be nice for use again. I'm choosing to access the bolt from the door side instead of the mirror side. I don't really know what it looks like under here. Use your own judgment on your rubber seal here, because yours could be all dried up and cracked or brittle. As you can see, mine is still malleable. I can risk pulling on it a little bit. I wish I had a little hook. I kind of just can loop under there and pull it up, but oh yeah, that'll work. It actually goes in there pretty deep, but I don't want to pull it out too far because it might be easier to put it back if I don't pull it out all the way. Oh yeah, this is cool. Okay. All right. All right. You guys should be able to see the nut in there. Put your, oh, that's not gonna work. One sec. Okay, I gave it a good like half turn. Oh yeah, that's much better. That's not going anywhere now. Let's see if I can easily pop this back into place and call it a day. Well, that's it. My rubber boot is back on. It's sealed all the way around. This was pretty easy to do. It takes a decent amount of effort to push it now. Like, look, it stays in place. That's really nice. 5-minute job, easy peasy. So, hope you can do the same with your mirror if you needed this. I bet the video will help you visualize how the rubber boot comes off. You don't have to be too afraid of breaking it. I don't think a hook is necessary. It's more of making sure your rubber's not brittle, because I just used a little small pair of needle nose pliers and just pulled on it, and it slipped off around the ring. You don't have to take the whole thing off if you don't want to. I think if you do take the whole thing off, it's probably more for if your rubber gasket is more brittle than mine. Putting it back on didn't seem so hard either. You just kind of stretch it over the lip and then just push it all the way around. So if you like what you see here, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.